Come and enjoy yourself. Your weekend, December, Christmas is coming. Come to Pinnacle Court Apartments and enjoy yourself together with your friends and family. Yo, what's up my beautiful people? This is Elvis Derry, the king of YouTubers, and I'm back with a fresh and brand new episode. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that beautiful and amazing notification bell. So today I'm right here at Westlands, Pinnacle Court Apartments, School Lane, right here in Westlands, man. And I want to show you, like, they have the best apartments here. Like, if you want to enjoy your vacation here in Nairobi, then this is the best place to come with your family and friends and enjoy yourself. So I'm gonna show you one apartment, how it looks like, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this amazing video. So guys, let us get inside and I show you guys how this apartment looks like. Welcome. Wow, amazing. First of all, like this is a sitting room and it is well lit, man. It is well lit. You can check out the chandelier right here. It's very simple and unique, like in its own design, man. You can see that, like, it's well lit, man. Well lit. Like, this is the best place to come with your friends and family, man. And also, like, if you're a fan of leather, this is a leather seat. This is a leather seat. Also, that one is a leather seat right here. And what I've noticed about this place is that, like, the colors are blending, man. You can see, like, the leather seats are brown. Also, like, the table is brown. Also, this one right here is brown, man. And I really love Pinnacle Court Apartments. So, like, you have your TV screen right here. Like, if you want to watch movies or listen to music with your friends and family, then Pinnacle Court Apartments has everything for you. Also, like, you have your telephone right here. If you want to communicate, then Pinnacle Court Apartments has a telephone for you. Also, like, this is the dining table right here for your friends and family. If you want to have a dinner or a small party or a birthday, then Pinnacle Court Apartment has you covered. You see, like, the carpet, like, it's very smooth, man. Very smooth, very soft, also very clean, man. Like, here, like, the cleanliness is top notch. So if you enter in the kitchen, the first thing you notice is the color brown, you know. So you can see, like, the wardrobes are all brown in color. Very beautiful, very nice, very well built. You can see, like, it's all brown, man. All brown. And you will see, like, there's some utensils right here. You can see, like, there's some knives right here, spoons and forks. Also, if you want to cook your supper, your dinner, your lunch, or your breakfast, then this is the cooker right here. You can cook here and enjoy your meal. So, like, if you want to bake, you can bake right inside there, man. Also, like, they have a fridge right here. Pinnacle Court Apartments, you'll find a fridge right here. If you want to buy your food, your drinks, you can put them in the fridge so that they can be cool. Also, like, there's a sink right here to wash your utensils. And if you're a coffee lover, you can wake up in the morning and boil your hot water and make some coffee. And you have your microwave right here. If you want to warm your food, then Pinnacle Court Apartments has you covered, man. You guys have told you this is the best place to come with your family, your friends, and you're gonna enjoy yourself, man. Pinnacle Court Apartments in Westlands, School Lane. So guys, let us go to the balcony and see what is there. Wow, amazing. You guys, like, if you want to wash your clothes, man, like, this is a washing machine right here, high quality, like the latest technology. They're using LG, man. Like, if you want to wash your clothes, then Pinnacle Court Apartments has you covered, man. Yeah, man. So guys, this is the master bedroom. You can see how huge it is, man. The bed it looks so comfortable. You can see the pillows right there. You got your towel right here. You know, like you can see that like the towel is white and very very clean, man. Like the cleanness here is top notch, top notch. As you can see, also like the bed is brown in color. Like you guys, like brown is my favorite color, man. And also let us not forget about the huge and majestic wardrobe, man. Like you guys can see, like you can put here your clothes, your suitcases. You can hang your clothes, like there's some hangers there. You can hang your clothes there or your suits, anything. So like you have a big mirror, man. You have a big mirror. You know, I know you ladies, you love mirror, so Pinnacle Court Apartments has you covered, man. And also this is another wardrobe. You can hang your clothes here. And it's very very huge inside, man. Like it's so spacious, very very spacious. Also, like if you want to do your work, you're a businessman or businesswoman, there's a table here, a study table here. You can be doing your work right here, and it's so comfortable, man. Like I love the uniqueness of Pinnacle Court Apartments. Like I love everything. You guys make sure you come here, man, and see it for yourself and experience it for yourself. Also, like this is another bedroom right here. If you come with your kids, your kids can be sleeping on this room right here. They have their own bed, you know, it's the same bed, same design. And also, like you can see, they have their own wardrobe, very very big wardrobe. And also like it's just the same as the master bedroom. They have their own big mirror right there. Also, let us not forget one thing, man. One thing, they have you know, if you want to iron your clothes, then they have their iron box right here. You can iron your clothes and you look very very smart for the day. Yeah, man. So guys, I hope you're still enjoying this amazing video about Pinnacle Court Apartments, the best place to come with your friends and family. If you want to come to vacation here in Nairobi, Kenya, make sure to come to Pinnacle Court Apartments, Westlands School Lane, man. Like I'm really loving this apartment. Very unique. I love the designs. I love the colors. And also like the cleanliness, like the floor is so clean, man. So let us enter inside the washing room. This is the washing room right here. First of all, you have your mirror right here. You can see your mirror, and this is your sink right here. If you want to wash your hands, your face, you want to brush your teeth, and also like they have a small towel here for you to clean your hands or your face. And if you love showering, then you can see like there's a very very unique shower right here, man. Pinnacle Court Apartments, like I'm really loving it, man. I'm really really loving it. Really loving it. Also, like if you want to help yourself, you know, they have a washroom right here. Like you can help yourself and you know, and just enjoy yourself and enjoy your stay right here at Pinnacle Court Apartments. Yo guys, like just tell me in the comments down below what you think about Pinnacle Court Apartments, and tell me if you have ever been to Pinnacle Court Apartments. Tell me like how was the experience, how was the feeling. Thank you so much to each and every one of you watching this video. I've really enjoyed myself here at Pinnacle Court Apartments, and I would really recommend anyone out there watching this video to come to Pinnacle Apartments. If you're traveling to Kenya, Nairobi, you're coming for your vacation, or you just want you know, just to spend a time alone, then Pinnacle Court Apartments got you covered. They have everything for you from the sitting room. They have internet. I didn't mention internet. They have very very strong and reliable Wi-Fi. They have the kitchen. You have the fridge, your cooking, area, also like your washing machine. As you have seen, the rooms, they're so big, very, very spacious with big wardrobes. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao. Pinnacle Court Apartments.